guys an insight of what's going on here. Can you see me, guys? So what we have here is I'm at home. It's 7 p.m. on a Friday. Normally it's just on Tuesday night that we do this. And what we're doing right now is you can see cam, Skype on, and I'm at home. You can see my Star Wars stuff. And what I'm doing here is on this laptop. Yeah. Yes. And what you've seen is I am in the middle of the release. So there has been an individual, in this case it could have been me, in this case somebody else took over it and published the software. We turned down off the website, we published a version of the software. And what we're doing here is we have sort of a shortcut backend, maybe a www.facebook.com for releasing Facebook. That version of this website is actually in production, and you guys can see it. We can see it. You can't, and so therefore we're able to test in production what we've just released. So what we're doing here is I have on my screen, and I go through the things that I could do to test. So what we're doing here is going through the test. People are discussing different things. How is this? Is this correct? Is this right? Most of the time, it will be a lot of silence. We will have one individual at the beginning saying, okay, it's done. And then the testing team, the QA team will really go from soup to nuts, the beginning, all the way, happy path, all the way to the end. They've already tested things like unusual things, putting a 5 where there should be a name, putting in, or the opposite, putting in the string where there should be a number ready. So those things have already been tested. What we're testing here is whether it's been successfully rolled out to production. So if anything happened in production. For example, I've been given a particular side of the website. I'm not going to show you the website because that's a private thing for the company I work at. But you guys can see that we have this chat, and I sit here looking at this particular website and seeing what's going on. And I stop every so often because there's people that they're talking. Although you can hear me on this microphone for the recording, I have this gaming headset for the conversation. I'm on, of course, mute. So I have to go back and see what they're chatting about. So just make sure you don't have any of the text being seen. It's okay. I'm okay if you see more or less pictures, but I don't want you to see. So that's it. I'll be stopping here. I've tested the microphone, this one that you guys are hearing, and give you a rough estimate of what it is that we do to release. So that's it.